All right, guys, I have my grandson, TJ. You want to tell him what we're going to make today?
We're going to make meatballs.
We're going to make smoked meatballs with some burrata cheese. We have clean hands. We just washed them, didn't we? Clean hands. We have about a pound of ground beef, and you get to add all the stuff to it. We have a half a cup of Parmesan cheese.
What is this?
That is a third cup of panko breadcrumbs. You want to pour both of those in?
This third cup of, what is it?
Panko, say panko breadcrumbs.
Pink breadcrumbs.
Good job.
Oh.
Hey, if you get a little on the side, it's fine.
Now I'm going to add some on this side and also all around.
Oh, yeah. Do you want to add the onions next, or would you like to add the garlic?
Garlic.
So we have about 5 cloves of garlic that we minced. Good job. And then we have an onion.
Onion.
Yeah. That's okay. It happens. Very nice. Here.
Still some in there.
Here. Teamwork. I'll get some out.
Dream work.
Teamwork does make the dream work. You're right. Had a little bit more garlic in there too.
That was easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Feeling it? Whoa. There we go. Okay, we're learning how to crack eggs. Good job.
If you accidentally put shell in there, you use this shell to scoop the shell out.
Yeah, if we get some shell in there, we could just use that shell to scoop it out. Okay. Some Italian seasoning.
I'm going to add that.
That's great. Let's actually go with the side that is the shaker.
Yeah.
We have some Kinder's garlic and herb seasoning. Do you want to open it and find the side with the holes? Because if you dump that out, that's the side for the spoon. It'd be probably too much.
This spoon.
Yeah. It's salt, but guess what? You kind of hold it like this and you get to twist it. Do you want to put your one hand there and then you twist it with that one? And we're going to do the same with the pepper.
So we just do this. It's kind of hard.
Here, do you want me to hold it and you can twist it? Yeah. Very good. We're going to get our hands messy and we're going to roll some meatballs. Are you ready?
I don't wanna do that.
You don't want to do that?
No.
All right, do you want to just watch me?
Yeah.
Okay. You tell me if I'm doing a good job, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Oh my gosh.
I know. It's like when you play with Play-Doh. Gigi plays with her food, huh? So we're going to roll these into meatballs, and we're going to put them on the Traeger pellet smoker. Make them around the same size.
Oh my gosh. So disgusting, I think. I'll go get it.
You're going to get a toy?
I want to help now.
You do? Oh my goodness. I don't know where TJ went, but Deadpool came back, and Deadpool is feeling, oh, there you are. You just missed Deadpool.
No, it's just a mask.
Oh, it's just a mask. Silly me. Okay, do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Now, the important thing is not to touch anything else because we're going to go wash our hands right after this, okay?
Okay.
But I'm going to give you this, and you just kind of roll it around. Good job. Hey, I'm proud of you for trying something new. Nice. No.
Trying something new to cook?
To cook. Okay, very nice. Do you want to do another one?
I kind of just wanted to do one.
You just want to do the one? That's fine.
Yeah, do the one.
We're going to put these on the Traeger pellet grill at 250 degrees for about an hour. Then we're going to put them in a cast iron pan with some marinara sauce. We're going to go ahead and transfer these to a cast iron. About 24 ounces of marinara sauce, burrata cheese, and also some shredded Parmesan. back onto the pellet grill for about another 20 minutes.